Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Modeler here. So, as you may have guessed, I love sci-fi ships, spaceships, battleships, Galactica, Star Trek, Space 1999, etc. So, I've built a couple of Vipers. Um, the original Viper is still available on eBay for a decent price, usually an open box, but you can get it, not too expensive. There's the Mark II that I purchased when it was actually being produced by Mobius, and I got that at a good price. They never made a Mobius Galactica Viper Mark III. Now there are some ways you can get a resin model of this, and all those options are a bit pricey, and so I never went for it because it was a little bit out of my budget. And there are other models that are similar, as in they either haven't made them in a long time, the licenses have run out, and they just, any models you find in them are really expensive. For example, the Aliens dropship and the Aliens armored transport vehicle, those are real expensive, and the kits aren't that great. Any UFO from Shadow UFO Jerry Anderson series models are expensive and not that great either. And so it occurred to me that I can potentially buy a 3D printer and print out my own ships. So after a little bit of thought, I did a little research, and I did find this Mark III on CG Trader, 1820. So much I paid for it, and it does come in pieces, a cockpit, and you 3D print it out, and you put a pilot in there from somewhere else or not. And so I said, this isn't bad. I can make an investment in a 3D printer, and I can buy models, STL files, at a decent price and print them out, because the plastic spool that's used to make these models is really not that expensive. So after about a month's worth of research on 3D printers, it's almost Father's Day, I went ahead and I got a Creality Ender 3 V3 KE. This, I will upload another video showing a little bit more detail and my decision-making process and what this has, but basically I got this at a really good price on sale on eBay through Creality. It's in perfect condition. I have not turned it on yet. I'm waiting for the plastic spool to arrive today, and I'm going to put this through some paces. I've already downloaded the software, and I've been playing with the modeling software and the what's it called, the Print 5.0, 5.03 at this point. And this basically you lay out the model pieces on a bed, and you give it the orientation, and you get it ready for processing, which is called a splicer. And there's a lot of stuff that I did not know. I didn't know anything about 3D printing prior to a month ago. So I'm going to share some of that stuff with you, at least. Maybe not in great detail, but at least give you terms to research and know before you go ahead and do something like this. But I'm real excited. I can't wait to start downloading files and printing out models that otherwise we would not be able to get. I know I can download a Space 1999 Eagle that's 3 feet long. I know I can download a drop ship and from Aliens, and armored vehicle from Aliens. So I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. So just thought I'd give you guys a quick heads up on my newest tool for modeling, and more to come. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.